You see someone yawn, and suddenly you have to yawn too. But it might not be because you're tired. A popular theory says yawning is your brain's personal air conditioner. Your brain works best when it's at just the right temperature, and when it gets a little too warm, a big yawn kicks in. This deep breath pulls in cool air from outside. At the same time, the huge stretch of your jaw muscles pushes more blood to your head, helping to carry heat away. This whole process gives your brain a refreshing cooling effect. So why is a yawn contagious? Seeing someone else yawning might be an ancient signal for a whole group to sync up and stay alert. It's a way for everyone to get a quick brain cool down. So next time you yawn, remember, you're not just sleepy, you're keeping your amazing brain in top shape.